Hello, this is Ralph Rio with ARC Advisory Group, and we're speaking today with Mary Bunzel, the worldwide manufacturing industry leader for IBM. And we really do mean worldwide. I first met her several years ago in Tokyo, Japan, and she's joining us directly from Greece. Mary, thank you for being with us.
Thank you, Ralph.
Mary, we've seen some really nice economic improvements in 2013. Could you talk about some of the key successes for IBM in your space?
2013 was a great year for growth for us, Ralph. With the improvements in the economic conditions, we're seeing customers from a wide range of industries accelerate investments in efficiency and process improvement. And in fact, not just internally, but also these industries are looking for ways to expand their revenue by looking into new, innovative ways to increase revenue streams. Some examples of this are growth of external services in the after-service market, where they're looking to lever the intelligence and innovation of their own internal departments to service their customers as well. So we expect this growth to continue and accelerate, and we expect clients in this realm to take advantage of growing capabilities in mobility, analytics, cloud, and of course the Internet of Everything.
Wow. So you got a great start, in 2013. Going into 2014, into this year, can you talk about some of the initiatives around smarter infrastructure that you're planning?
Absolutely. Key initiatives for us include mobility, cloud, analytics, and of course the Internet of Everything, all themes here at the ARC conference. In the area of mobility, we've just released a new platform levering IBM's leading application platform, WorkLight, and we expect to see this expanding and growing to put the power of information and analytics in the hands of users, but also to link up to other applications and operations that need it.
Wow.
In the area of analytics, we see a wide range of customer demand, all the way from descriptive type of analytics to predictive analytics and even prescriptive analytics to bring visibility to the actual asset condition at the plant floor or across any other spectrum of assets that the client requires to complete their mission. And data is the fuel for this analytic capability. It depends on consistent collection of data, proper management in the cloud, and appropriate delivery to, again, end systems and end users that need to use that information. We're very excited about the growth in that area. And cloud is where we see workload optimization happening. And the analytic models that I referenced earlier are being made available in the cloud, which brings a whole new realm of capability to customers. They can lever models that are built in the cloud and contributed to by other leading industries in the market and connect it to their on-premise data, thereby levering both the power of crowdsourced innovation in the cloud through analytics against their own on-premise data to really take advantage of all the innovation that's available in the world today.
Wow, that's a lot. But IBM's a big company and you have a big role. Let me just take it a little bit more narrow for a moment and bring it in the context of one of the themes here at the ARC Forum, the Internet of Everything as you talk it, we talk about it as the Internet of Things. And I know you have a long campaign around smarter infrastructure that I think is working out very, very well. Could you relate that now to IBM solutions?
Absolutely. The Internet of Everything is really about innovation and collaboration. Data is the fuel, again, to optimize efficiency and make available analytics. And the Internet of Everything provides the opportunity for collaborative partners across a wide range of interests to participate in industry-specific solution stacks. And that's where we're turning our attention, Ralph. We expect this to grow very rapidly because some of the early major client engagements that we have are showing some incredible value creation. This is not to be ignored. And the availability to run these models in the cloud and make them available via mobile technology means that now it's not just major enterprise that can take advantage of this capability, it's also medium-sized and smaller enterprise as they grow to appreciate the kind of value and optimization that they can achieve for their own businesses.
Wow. You just got me thinking about this connection between the Internet of Everything, producing a lot of data, and then what do you do with the data? I know IBM's got some solutions around analytics that certainly helps you interpret that data. Can you talk about IBM solutions in the analytics arena?
Absolutely. I mentioned descriptive analytics, which is probably more of a traditional term that customers are using to refer to reports, charts, and graphs that they make available and use as tools every day. And those give certainly visibility to historical performance, but clients now want to look forward. So they look forward with predictive analytics that measure trends and change and then trigger response based on the service level agreements or other mission critical parameters that enterprise puts in place. But there's this whole new world of prescriptive analytics that are growing to be available. Prescriptive, meaning that it looks at a wide range of disparate data and looks for patterns that trigger follow-on events. And by bringing those patterns to the forefront, we enable clients then to make appropriate decisions on how to deal with the anomalies. That's really the power of analytics and where we see it going in the future.
Very interesting. We talked about the Internet of Things in terms of technologies. We talked a little bit about analytics. Are there other technologies that you see becoming very important in terms of IBM solutions or industry needs?
Well, certainly mobility. Mobility, making information available not only to users in the field, which is the traditional application, but also using mobility applications and development platforms. As I mentioned, IBM's WorkLight platform, our work there will be very much focused on ways to enhance and expand engagement of previously disassociated departments or organizations in an enterprise that would benefit from that view. We also see a lot of growth in cloud to simplify IT and to make it easier to use and to lever the power of organizations like IBM who can take over all of that management activity and deliver real service and response to end users. And then, of course, analytics, as we talked about, to make visible massive amounts of data, turning it into actionable information, and then making it available to a large community of users in the context of both industry and consumers. So we see growth in all of those areas and, of course, topped off by the Internet of Everything, which gives a large community of participants the opportunity to contribute their talent and knowledge to serve specific industries and create the opportunity for innovation.
Wow. This is a fascinating information. Thank you very much, Mary.
Thank you, Ralph.
We've been speaking with Mary Bunzel of IBM. Thank you for listening.